Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve chat not showing on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve chat not showing on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app, and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.